bestie, how are you? Today we are making some badges. So let's go! I have already designed and printed my badges. If you want to know the designing process, let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. The paper I'm using is 115 GSM glossy photo paper. It's perfect for badges. You can use lower quality, lower GSM paper, but that does not look that good. I mean, this is good quality badge. We are talking about quality, right? We have to give our customers the best things if they come to us, if they order from us, because no one has ordered yet. Ugh. No, actually I got one order. We will be packing it as well, but yeah, for now there aren't that many orders. However, you still want your product to be of good quality. Make sure you are giving good quality products. So I have this paper cutter that I use to cut the long sheets into small squares, and then I cut the circles with scissor. It has this lever that you can push to cut your paper, and then it has this magnetic stop or whatever you want to call it. It is used to handle the paper and put it in the place and make sure the alignment is correct and everything. It can be used for an A4 size paper. It's not the best. I got it from Daraz. It's not the best quality, alright, but it is much better than the previous one and it works, alright. That's all I'm gonna say. I have printed them, I cut them. These squares are made through this machine, this paper cutter, and I used it, but I kind of forgot to show you how to. My bad, but I'll show you soon. Now comes our handy dandy scissor. Let's cut all these badges. So now you are going to see a montage, a fast forward thing of me cutting these badges. Now you may be noticing that there are two circles in each badge, right? One is the inner circle where there is my design, the designing portion, and then the outer circle which we are going to use for cutting. This is our cutting alignment. So why is that? Alright, so here's the thing. Your badges need some extra portion that goes inside the badge, that holds it in place. And for that you have to leave some extra space. I have the template for this. Like, I have already created a template. This is a 37mm badge, alright, which is not that big, but it's not that small. It's perfect size, at least I think so. If you want bigger badges and if you wanna order from my shop, first of all, check my shop, bestie. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? You don't check my shop. Like, what? Why don't you check my shop? It will be linked in the description box. So yeah, if you want the template, I will link it in the description box. So there will be two circles. In the inner circle you have to put your design, and the outer circle is basically your lining that will go inside the badge on the edges of it to grab the badge. Let me show you how it looks like, so I stop saying some nonsense like it doesn't make sense. Let me give you the visuals. See right here, this edge thing? Yeah, this is your paper and this is what I was talking about. Alright, so I'm just going to cut all of them and then we will move on to the machine part. This is a detailed tutorial. I believe I just want to give you guys all there is to know about it, in case if you wanna make it, or in case if you are interested in knowing, oh my god, how do people do this? Let me tell you, babies, let me tell you. I'll tell you guys everything because you guys are my best friends. Wait, what? You are not my best friend? Then who are you? Please leave me alone. Look, I need to stop. But see, if you are not in my best friend squad, oh my god, subscribe to become my bestie. Who won't want to become my best friend? Right? And then in the middle of it, I became hungry. Yes, bestie, I need to eat. No, I'm not going to eat all of this. This is for my brothers. One is for me. And there are fries, and it was all from Burger Shack. And can I just say, I regret it. I regret it like anything. Oh my god, why did I think it was a good idea? I should have gone with a safer choice. This was bad. This was really bad. So yeah, we had that. The only good thing was cold drink. Alright, we are done. We ate our food. Let's get back to work. If you are wondering what's happening with the wire and everything, and there's a laptop over there, what's happening? I'm actually watching various YouTube videos because it gets boring. I wanna be focused, so I just keep something in the background. These YouTube videos keep me company. Just starting my video, gotta watch something while working. Alright, there's a designing fault, but we can get over it, we can work with it. This was actually a design made by my sister, and it was beautiful. But since we don't live together, we had a little bit of issue, and then I thought, hey, I can do it, I can just cut it. I don't have to call her again and go, hey, we have an issue. That's just rude, alright? So I went with it, I went with what I got, and it came out pretty good. So yeah, alright, let's cut. Don't cut your finger, just cut the paper. I can actually cut my finger as well. I'm such a clumsy person, like bestie. I'm not joking. I go to places where literally no one gets hurt, but somehow I get hurt. Somehow I get this huge bruises, like, or scars, and I don't understand it. Why me? Why am I so clumsy? Or is it just some aura around me that's like, oh yeah, you go in trouble. Oh yeah, you get bruised. Oh yeah, let me hit you. I don't know what happens, but I get in trouble a lot. Now see our manual labor and its results. They look pretty good. We have all circles. We are good. We got all the badges, and now it's time to put it on our badge. Let's go, babies. Let's go. This is our badge machine. It has this lever that I'm going to insert over here, and then I'll show you guys what I'll do with it. There are a lot of things that goes on it, so be patient. I'll tell you guys everything because I love telling things to people, and this is just how it is. Whatever I do, I tell you guys because you guys are my besties. I tell you all of my secrets. So here we go. I have attached it. It goes like this, push. That's literally what you have to do most of the time. This part slides. I'll tell you why. We'll know it all. Just right now I'm telling you what it does, and this one revolves like this. So yeah, 3 things: slide, revolve, push. That's your machine. Now we have these. This is basically the base of your badge, and there is a close-up. And then we have these go on top of the badge. Now we have 2 things. These are crucial for a badge. And then we have our printouts, which goes on top of this metallic badge thing. And then we have this lamination sheet. Alright, it goes on top of your printout so that it's waterproof and it stays good, you know, all those things. Can you make your badge without these? Yes. But should you? No. Nope. Please don't do this. Thank you. So in total you need 4 things. Here are those. Interesting, right? And then you also need this machine and printer and a lot of other stuff. But yeah, here's how it works. One part is basically where it takes something, it picks something, and then other is where it pushes. That's pretty much the 2 functions this machine does. The push one actually gets the base of the badge because you want your other stuff to be secured on the base. Now metallic thingy will go over here, now your printout, and then lamination sheet. Make sure your badge is straight. You know, you want it to be straight as possible, or whatever you want it to be, you know, whatever you want it to look like when it is straight, just give it that angle. Alright, now first thing, pick what's going to be picked: your metallic thingy, your paper, and lamination sheet. See, you just push the lever and then pull it, and it has taken all the stuff, it ate all your stuff. Now you slide it to the other side and revolve your circle, which is on top, which has all your stuff. It just ate all your stuff, and then you are going to make it throw up. How are you going to do this? Again simple, just revolve the circle and then push your lever and then pull it, and there we have it. Look at the badge, we got it. It's pretty, it's beautiful. You worked hard for it. See, this is the pin that you can attach to anything to add your badge to. And there is the design. It is waterproof and it is quite beautiful actually. These are good quality badges. I really like them. You know, even the raw material, it came out really good. I hope next time we are as lucky as we were this time. But sometimes things can go wrong in the raw material department. I have understood this already. So now we are going to make the rest of those. I'm just going to give you a recap. Put your base in it. At one side, the B area. By the way, these are labeled as A and B. Wow, girl, aren't you telling us this so early? I'm sorry, I forgot to mention it. So on the B area, you put your base, and then on the A area, you put whatever goes on top of the base, which is your metal, then your printout, then your lamination sheet. Now simple. By the way, the top thing must be rotated on the other side, so you have to rotate it, and don't worry, even if you don't, it doesn't do anything wrong. It doesn't just go, oh yeah, I'm gonna pick up the base. It doesn't work that way. Alright, it won't do anything, so it's a good thing. Don't worry, you can just experiment with things. Push the lever and then pull it, and then slide and then rotate and then push and then pull. You might have to put a little bit of force into it, just giving you a small warning here, but it's worth it. Look at the badges that you create, it's definitely worth it. Stay weird, babies, stay weird. Never stop dreaming. These are literally the mottos that I go by, and I just wanted to give you guys, you know, a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of motivation through my badges. I actually love how they turned out. So let's move forward and then see all the badges. You guys are going to love them, I'm pretty sure. Alright babies, here are all of those. They look so adorable, don't they? I just love these. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned from it, and if you just wanted to watch it for me, oh my god, thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are my besties. You are my bestie, like literal bestie. If you haven't subscribed yet to become my bestie, I don't know what you are doing. Come on, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to know my designing process. Also, let me know which one is your favorite badge in these in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it. Bye. Also, I love the like a boss one. Like, I'm like a boss. I'm a boss. Like a boss. And also I like that BTS one. So pretty. And the super fucking cute one. Okay, I have created those. I cannot choose from my own creation, right? But if I wanted to gift someone, I would say stay weird and the super fucking cute one. But the one I will use for myself is going to be like a boss. Rambo, lady, and I'm like a boss. It's just me, okay? It speaks for me. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Goodbye. I hope you stay well and make safe choices, and you stay my bestie by subscribing.